Today it is the 1st of August 2020. Here is the Lakeuden Risti Church. Really interesting. The tower itself, 15th of March 1960, Seinäjoen seurakunta. It was completed in April 1960. Turning 60 years old this year in 2020. And this is in the bell tower of the church. Very special elevator, 5 persons of 400 kilograms with 4 floors, but it's much taller than just 4 floors. The tower is 67 meters high. And this was built in 1968, modernized in 1999. This is the fastest, and it's the fastest gated elevator I have ever seen, actually. Wow. So amazing. H16312. And the material is still original. Yeah, it is very fast. Yeah. Let's see if it's gonna go down or not. There's some more stairs upstairs. There are some more residential buildings here, but we don't have time for those. They are too low, and most of them don't have any elevators. Those 4 stories high ones. There is space for another elevator, but they never built one. As you can see, only one elevator here. It's possible to walk up these stairs to see more of the techniques here. And the terrace is here, the tallest point of the tower. Original lock system. And original switches. Even that. Yeah, so this turned 50 years old, and he's 60 years old this year in 2020. Some more steps.
Hei hei.
Hei. Here it is. And yes, and it was modernized in 1999. I was afraid it was replaced, but no. It was still the original gated elevator, just modernized in 1999. So that was perfect. There are still some more buildings here to check just quickly if we have a bit of time left. More of the Alvar Aalto architecture here. Well, it's not the most aesthetically appealing city or town in Finland, but it's definitely worth a visit between Tampere, Tammerfors and Vasa, especially for this Lakeuden Risti Church. The bell tower of it, which has a as an observation point. Everything planned by the architect Alvar Aalto. And the weather is great today. No rain. I am going to, ride this elevator down, but also will take pictures quickly. At least of the elevator itself. But this is at the same time a tour of this observation point here. I haven't stopped the filming. I hope to be alone in the elevator too when I get down. It's still upstairs. Maybe they took the stairs. There is doors, and it looks like a heater. It's amazing when it's in a med shaft also. The fastest gated elevator in Finland it has to be. It is really amazing, yes. Better view of this. 1968 actually, yes. And just look at this beautiful retro phone that is still preserved here. Probably hasn't been used in a long time. But it's still there. But I wonder what the floors 2 and 3 are. I have no clue. There are some switches there, and for the phone there is that socket over there too. My ears are a bit popping. I can feel it in my ears too. Wow, amazing. Up here on the top floor we can take pictures. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.